The thought of replacing your garage door spring yourself can be tempting, but think twice before diving in. Handling high-tension springs can be incredibly dangerous, putting you and your property at risk. Garage doors depend on torsion or extension springs to operate smoothly, but these springs can weaken over time. While DIY projects can be satisfying, garage door spring replacements are far more complex and hazardous than most repairs. Torsion springs store immense energy and can snap if mishandled, causing serious injuries in the process. Many homeowners lack the specialized tools required for safe spring replacement, leading to potential mishaps. An improperly installed spring not only risks a malfunctioning door, but may also cause damage to the entire system. Professional technicians possess the crucial experience and tools to manage spring replacements safely and effectively. By trusting experts, you can avoid the hassle and ensure everything functions seamlessly after repairs are made. Prioritize your safety and the longevity of your garage door by choosing professional help for this complex task.